Hello students, today I am going to discuss exercise question answer of lesson The Tale of a Tale. This is the story about the behavior of 5th grade students in a school by noted writer R.K. Narayanji. At the time of reading the lesson, you might have recalled your own classroom situation. You may have seen Swaminathan, P. Sankar, Mani, Rajam, Somu in your classmates. I hope you know the story. Now we shall focus on exercise question answer. Look at B3. Swaminathan has many friends. Complete the following wave chart by filling the names of all his friends that you have read about in the lesson. P letter suggests the character is PEAP. M Mani, S Somu, R Rajam, S Sankar. Now, who said to whom? Sir, please let us go out. Who said? Somu said. Somu considered himself as boss and he said to teacher, Sir, please let us go out. To the teacher. What is wrong with you, you little dog? Mani said. Mani said to friend. No, I didn't. You. Who said? P said. P said to Swaminathan in the presence of Somu and Mani. They call me Rajam's tail. Who said? Swaminathan said. To whom? To Mani. Mani asked, What is the matter? Then he said, They call me Rajam's tail. Swaminathan to Mani. He, P, wrote tail, big tail on the blackboard. Swaminathan said to Mani. He gave this argument. Why did he slap? To P and Sankar. Now, complete the ladder. Swaminathan entered 5th grade classroom. Entered. Entered. Entered the classroom. Entered the classroom. He saw that word tail written on the blackboard. Word tail written on the blackboard. He got angry and slapped P and Sankar. Mani and Somu took them out of the classroom. Took them out of the classroom. Instead of resolving the matter, they started fighting. Instead of resolving the matter, they started fighting. The headmaster and the peon took them apart, picked them apart. picked them apart. So I think B5 is clear. Now B6, answer the following questions. Do you think Shankar or P had written the word tail on the blackboard? Give a reason for your answer. Yes, you can write. Yes, I think Shankar or P had written the word tail on the blackboard. Reason? They were giggling. Or you may write, I think Shankar had written the word tail on the blackboard. He was giggling. How did Swaminathan feel when he saw the word tail written on the blackboard? Swaminathan felt very embarrassed. Swaminathan felt very angry when he saw the word tail written on the blackboard. So answer one, only one word answer. Now read the following extract and answer the questions that follow. What is wrong with you, little rocks? Who are rocks? Swaminathan, P, Shankar and Mani, no Mani. Swaminathan, P, Shankar are rocks. Why are they fighting with each other? They are fighting with each other as someone had written word tail on the blackboard for Swaminathan. Where is the fight going on? The fight is going on in the field adjoining the school, or fight is going on somewhere in the field adjoining the school. Now extract 2. And who dares to talk about Rajam here? Who is Rajam? Rajam is Swaminathan's friend. Perhaps he was the monitor of the class. So in short answer you can write Rajam is Swaminathan's friend. Who talked about Rajam? Swaminathan talked about Rajam because students tell him Rajam's tale. So he gave this statement to Mani. How are Mani and Rajam related? Mani and Rajam are sworn enemy. They cannot be friend. Now, life skill. Do you think Swami was right in slapping P and Shankar? Had you be in the place, you would have reacted. How would you have reacted? Would you have ignored the word tail written on the blackboard? Laughed along to avoid argument or fight? Talk to your classmates and resolve the matter peacefully? Complain to your teacher? I think you should ignore the word tail written on the board, or you may laugh along other students, or you may complain to teacher, but don't try to resolve the matter. Students will. Now words are given in the ad box and you have to find the suitable word that give the same meaning. To feel confused or ashamed, embarrassed. To feel confused and ashamed, embarrassed. A place of lawlessness, pandemonium. To laugh softly, giggle. Violent, angry. Fierce fight. So I think you have understood. You will do question answer. Thank you for watching video.